well. Well, since this broke, we're gonna EOL it. Here we go. Wow. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go through the clips, keep any of the good ones, trash the bad ones, and put those parts at the end. You know, I actually needed these tape organizers. Show my tapes right there, most of them. Some other tapes in front of that TV. This has a sticker on it, which is nice, I guess. I might replace this crappy Sanyo, because I made some DVDs that used to put music videos on them. And one of them, on there, it slowed down to like 15 FPS, which is unacceptable. But I don't do that anymore, because I play them from my computer. BMI. Add to stack. This probably got thrown out because it's old. And you could get DirecTV and all the other stuff. Why need these? Why would you need one of these? It's got S-Video, that's nice. That's still there. February 2025 bulk pickup rescue number 3. First one was a Pioneer stereo receiver remote and a Montgomery Ward cookbook. The place I got the cookbook, I just went by there and this is what they had with a whole bunch of other crap. Ooh, video CD. It's cool. Kind of dirty, I don't give a damn about that. People act like trash picking's like the most disgusting thing in the world. It's not like you're licking the street. Yeah, there it is. See info. Might not work. Oh, we gotta fix that. Not that it matters. Check this out. The Super Bowl's coming up. Okay, it's home. Let's go look for some more stuff. This thing died already. It's a Samsung. It's ponies. It's an Apex digital converter box with the cables. Hasn't been tampered. Tempered. The hell? These are known for bad caps. Now we're talking. Browsing for crap on Facebook Marketplace, I came across this. What the hell are the chances of that? So Keller, that ain't too far away either. Yep. Gonna get rid of this today. Trinitron's back in its place. Gonna use the converter box with composite video again instead of RF. The camera's gonna be stupid here. And we'll test the DVD player. You haven't seen this TV yet, but I got some Permatex black plastic welder coming in the mail. Someone dropped something on it and they had it wrapped in duct tape. I did that. It's only right there is where it's broken. Coming right along with this. I'll be done soon. And more. Need to digitize more of these. Already uploaded I want to say Sao Paulo for some weird reason, the South Padre Island vacation on my other channel, my electronics channel. I made that to put all the electronic stuff on there so I can monetize, because on my main channel is a bunch of music, but that was years ago and I don't care anymore. So yeah, video over.